been started. There is not any purpose of
Yes, it started.
started now.
Okay.
I'm saying that there is not any purpose of shooting this video and we don't have any topic. Just it's like doing some warm up. Whenever you go to gym, what do you do? Do you go and start your?
How am I looking?
You're this side. Okay, you come this side.
Sorry.
I'm saying come this side. Now it will look very nice. So just come here. I'm not going to upload anywhere. Just for our memory. Come here. I'm saying just for our memory. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Gautam Gupta from Gupta Coaching Center. Right now you can see here my two friends. These guys are my best friends, and you know why? Because they teach in Gupta Coaching Center, and the people with whom you spend time, you make a very close relationship with them. You have various memories with them. So right now we have here Akash Sharma, who teaches English, as you know, and on the right side of Akash Sharma sir, you can see Prince Kumar sir, and he teaches physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology and English. So he is the student of PCMBE, and on my right side here you can see Akash Sharma. So I want to ask first of all to Akash Sharma, now you just tell me, what is the thing that you will do or you want to do if no one is going to pay anything, any single amount? If someone is going to give you a work and you have to choose and you have all the options, the only condition is that you are not going to get paid for your work that you are going to do. So which work you will do and why? Can you explain?
Okay, if I know that I am not going to be paid, and so I will do only one thing, that is teaching, because I like to teach, because I like to interact with people. That's the only thing I would do.
Okay, a very great answer. Actually, there are so many people in the world. I mean to say, there are so many teachers in the world whose main objective is not to earn money. Of course, we need money for our survival, for our family reasons, and to maintain our life. It is very necessary thing. I am talking about money. But the most important thing here is that, as Akash Sharma said, if he has been given a work where he's not going to be he's not going to be paid for any of work he's going to do, he will choose teaching. Why? Because there are so many teachers who get satisfied, who get immense satisfaction while teaching, because they're not teaching because they need money. They are teaching because they love teaching. And we need these kinds of passionate teachers in our society, in our country, who will contribute positively in our country. I want that all the teachers are good, and I want this, that most of the teachers should be like Akash Sharma sir, as he told us that if they have given a choice to choose the work that he's going to do, and there is for sure that he's not going to get paid for his work, he will choose teaching because they are passionate about it. Okay, so now let's talk to Prince Kumar sir. Prince Kumar sir teaches PCMBE, means physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology and English. So he is all-rounded teachers. Actually, there are very few teachers who are able to teach so many subjects with deep knowledge. Maybe you have found some teacher who teach all the subject, but they don't have deep understanding of the subject. But here you can see in the right side of me, Prince Kumar sir. He is the teacher of multiple subjects, and that too they have the deep knowledge of each subject. Let's talk about him. That should we do mastery in one subject, or should we focus on multiple subjects, and why they chose to become the teacher of multiple subjects, and how they are managed to be informed and get so much deep knowledge and information about all the 5 subjects. Let's talk to the Prince Kumar sir.
Thank you, Gupta sir.
Okay.
So giving you opportunity this one. So as Gupta sir was telling, is it necessary to becoming a mastering in every subjects, or is it not important to becoming a mastering of in all subject? So in my personal opinion, if I shared now from another sides, so that is like if you master in all subjects, so that is up to you. If you have the master of all subjects, so it's makes you interdependent. not dependent for other subjects, not dependent for other teachers, because self-dependent is a more important to us. So that's why I'm teaching all subjects, and already I'm the students for the PCMBE. So that is very a good percentage which I'll pass out in the 12th class. And it is also informed, I shall tell you, like if you want to succeed in your life, so that is very important to be maintain everything. Because if in future, if you let's take an example, if you married, get a married, okay, so after married you have to maintain everything, like family problems, school problems, children problems also. Since similarly you have to manage the nowadays also, so you have to manage the all subjects and simultaneously. Thank you sir.
It's okay. Thanks, Prince, for your reply. And the next question I want to ask to Akash Sharma sir. That Akash Sharma sir, we were talking about importance of English in the last video, and I want to continue the same question. What do you think? What do you think about English as a language? Is it must learning language? And the second question I want to ask to you is that, you know, I was talking that if a person knows English very well, does it mean that he's a good communicator? Or a person can be, the person's communication skill can be better if he knows Hindi or any other language well? I'm talking about communication skills. From the communication skills point of view, what do you think about English? And what are the add-ons or positive impacts of English on their communication skills?
Okay, first of all, what is the importance of English? See, it is very easy to understand in one line that if you want to communicate to whole world, you must know one language, that is English. Okay, it is enough. Because in every sector also, in each sector, you must know English, because communication skill is a thing which in every sector it's important, whether it is mentioned or not. First of all, it is mentioned that you should have this degree, that degree, but many things are not mentioned, but people are judged by those things. So one of them is communication skill, your personality, and all of these things come in English. Communication, okay, public speaking, interactions, all these things come in English. So that's why it's important to learn English. And second thing about communication. So for communication, one must participate in communication. They should create their environment for communications. Suppose one is living in a village, but he is not getting environment to communicate. So he will have to create the environment. He will have to watch English videos. He will have to watch some lectures which are given in English. If he is not able to understand that, he can watch simply some cartoons which are dubbed in English. So he will have to create environment, and by speaking only he will improve his communication skills.
Okay. Thank you, Akash Sharma sir, for your reply. You said that to be a fluent English speaker, the most important thing is that you need an environment, and you know the environment do not support us to speak English. So we need to create our environment, the environment for English speaking by our own. We can watch different cartoons or anything which is any content which is available online in English. If we start to watch those contents, then we will observe that how they are talking, which kind of accents they are using, how they are pronouncing different words. And if you start to listen or watch the videos of foreigners or any interviews of like billionaires like Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk, and the interviews of any top successful people of in any industry or any field, if you start to listen to their interviews or those videos, you will notice different things. For example, you will notice that how they are speaking, in which accent they are speaking. There may be people from different countries of the world. They may be from England, they may be from America, they may be from Australia, and the accent for the English language is different in all these countries. When you start to listen to all those people, then your listening skill will also improve. Because this is one of the part of learning the language is the skill of listening. If you are able to listen someone, recognize their words, their accents, and understand what he's saying, in this way you will develop your own unique accent. You know, it may be possible. Okay, let's move to the another question. Mr. Prince Kumar, you are the teacher of PCMB. So my next question to you is, okay, now tell me, if a student is not going to pay you anything to teach PCMB, so will you teach them or will you refuse them? I know that it is very hard to reply because money is like very necessary component of our life. It is necessary to live life better. Okay, Akash Sharma, check whether the video is on or off. It's on? It is on. Okay. I will cut this part now. Don't think about it.
So start it.
Okay. So I know that money is very important part of our life.